HP docking stations provide a streamlined solution for charging your laptop while expanding connectivity options. These devices combine power delivery with multiple ports in a single, convenient unit. Modern HP docking stations utilize USB-C power delivery technology. The latest PD 3.1 standard supports up to 240 watts of power delivery through a single USB-C cable, sufficient for even high-performance gaming and workstation laptops. HP offers several key docking station models with different power capabilities. The Thunderbolt Dock G4 provides up to 120 watts, the USB-C Dock G5 delivers 100 watts, and the Elite Thunderbolt 4 dock supplies 90 watts of charging power. Proper charging requires matching your docking station's wattage with your laptop's power requirements. Ultrabooks typically need 45 to 65 watts. Business laptops require 65 to 90 watts, while gaming and workstation laptops need 90 to 240 watts of power. Most HP laptops manufactured after 2019 support USB-C charging via docking stations, providing excellent compatibility across HP's laptop lineup. This standardization makes docking stations a reliable charging solution for modern HP devices. Setting up docking station charging for HP laptops starts with the right connection. For HP laptops manufactured in 2019 and later, USB-C or Thunderbolt connections are the primary charging method. HP Smart Install technology automatically handles driver installation when you connect your docking station. This eliminates the need for manual driver downloads and ensures optimal compatibility. Keep your docking station firmware updated through HP Support Assistant. Regular updates ensure optimal performance, security, and compatibility with new laptop models. For optimal charging performance, you may need to adjust BIOS settings, enable USB-C charging options, and configure power management settings to maximize efficiency. HP docking stations automatically negotiate the optimal voltage for your laptop. They can provide 5, 9, 15, or 20 volts depending on your device's requirements, ensuring safe and efficient charging. The benefits of proper docking station setup are significant. 87% of users report improved productivity with single cable solutions. Businesses see an average return on investment in just 18 months, and modern HP docking stations achieve 92% power efficiency ratings.